Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll talk about bulk editing of issues. Now, one really good use case of bulk modifying issues in Jira is to close issues that are probably too old. And when you close those issues, maybe you just want to um, move them to a closed state with a resolution that could be not fixed. Sometimes when you are, let us say, working on support based projects where you have a lot of tickets, old tickets where customers got their resolution, but for some reason you still have those tickets open and you may want to simply close them. So whatever the use case is, you can definitely close tickets in Jira Service Management or issues in Jira Software. And of course, this can be done using a bulk edit feature. But I was looking at this question from Wiki on the community, and this question is it possible to close an issue without sending an email to the reporter? So this is definitely one use case where you can use the bulk modify feature in Jira, where you can basically close those tickets, and when you do that, you actually have the option to suppress the email notification because you don't really want to send emails to hundreds of people in one go. And maybe you want to, but if you want, you can actually decide whether you want to notify them or not. So someone has actually has actually another community leader has already replied showing how to do it, but I'll probably just go to the Jira instance of mine, and I will also show you very quickly if I can. And I will try to show you how it works. So let us say you have a few issues in Jira. Maybe I will simply select bulk change. So it will ask you to modify all of them, but I believe we should be able to select only few of them, not all of them. So when you have the option to bulk modify, you can simply select these issues here like this, and I don't really want to bulk modify each and every issue, but I just want to show you how it works. So if you scroll down and if you go to the very bottom, you can click on the next button, and you have the option to transition the issues, which is what we want to do. We are transitioning the issues to maybe done or closed or resolved. So you can do that, and if you click on the next button, you should get an option somewhere to not. So by default it is going to not send an email, but you can choose to send an email if you want to spam those people, but I think it is not really a good idea. And when you do that, you can also select the final resolution, maybe something like won't do or whatever. I mean, it could be maybe closed, whatever, or won't do, I think makes sense. So let us add a comment, bulk close. I think it is always good to have some information why you are doing it. And if you click on the next button, you should have so it will tell you, it will confirm that email notifications will not be sent for this update, which is what we want, and click on the confirm. And then it will of course do something that will then close the issues, or basically it will transition the issues, and it will then of course not send an email. But this is of course one example where you can use the bulk edit feature of Jira. And I'm sure I have talked about this in the past, but I'm just repeating myself. Maybe I'm not really sure if I covered this bulk edit, but I thought I'll do it very quickly. It's only a 2-minute job, and very interesting feature, to be honest, because you can do a lot of wonderful things with bulk edit in Jira. And whenever you're dealing with issues, multiple issues, hundreds of issues maybe, then you need to modify them in bulk. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.